Hi, my name is Hillary and I am going to show you today how to use a tool called Pinterest. Pinterest is basically just like a large online scrapbook where you can save different things that you like to look at later and to go through and either try them out or just to view. So after you create your account, there's two different ways that you can create what's called a board. The board is where you save the different things that you liked. One way to do it is to click on boards and hit create board. I'm going to name this board outside activities. And then you go ahead and click create. So now whenever I find something that is related to outside activities, I can save it here and go back and look at it. Another way that you can create a board is to search for something that you want. So let's say water activities for kids. So say I want to try this sponge toss water activities. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And so I can either choose one of the boards that I've already created, or you can hit create board and just name it what you like. So water. This secret just means that any of your followers, if you click yes, means any of your followers will be able to see that you have pinned that. Hit create. So now when I want to try and find that pin, I just click right here on my name, my username, and I go to my boards, and I can click on here we go, my water activities board, and I can click on this. So once I pull up the picture, I can click on it and it's going to bring me to, usually it's a blog of some sort or the website that it is from. So once you've viewed what it's from, you can always just go back onto your Pinterest tab and keep pinning. Pinterest is a great resource for nannies because it has millions and millions of ideas for activities, for learning projects, for gifts for the parents. There's lots of different things that you can use. It's a wonderful resource. One of the cooler features about Pinterest is that you can send pins. This is really helpful for nannies that want to send it to the parents so they can either buy what's on the list or they can approve it or just look at it and so they can talk about it. One way to do that is to click on the pin itself, click this little send button, and you can either send it to someone directly through Pinterest or you can send it via one of these, so Facebook, Twitter, Facebook Messenger. You can embed the link, all sorts of things. I hope that you start pinning all sorts of great ideas and you expand your daily routine with Pinterest.